This video we are going to look at how to earn free 7 Ghana cedi per referral. Okay, now we are going to use this app. So if you're using Android, this app is on Play Store, and if you're using iPhone, you can also get it in Apple Store. You can check the description of this video for the link of the app so that you can download it. Now the app is called Eversend. Okay, so after downloading the app, you just have to create your account. If you even don't know how to create your account, just check the description. I have a video on how to create Eversend account. Now after creating your account, that is what you are going to see. That is the interface, and you need to also verify your account with your Ghana card. Okay, so after that, this is what you are going to see. Then you will see here earn. Okay, so we want to make money from this platform, so you see and just click on earn here, and this is what you are going to do. Invite a friend. Okay, so you are going to invite your friends to this platform, and you are going to make money from it. So you invite a friend, the fund wallet both get 7 Ghana cedi. So any friend that you invite who signs and funded the account, the person is going to get 7 cedis, and you, the person who invited the person, also going to get what, 7 Ghana cedis. So this is how you can also make money from this app.